Hey guys, so today we're gonna be raising this rails to low, so we're gonna raise it up some more. We're gonna put new spindles. We're gonna use back the top rail. We're gonna put a bottom rail and new spindles because it's too low. This is a multi-family unit. And these are the new spindles. As you can see, it's longer. It has to be up to code because they came in and inspected the multifamily here in Connecticut, and they said it was too low, like too short. I'm gonna put the new end column spindle. This is a new one also from Home Depot, a box. We have some rail handle, right hand rail handle like this to hold on, and this is gonna be the bottom to hold the spindle in like this. We're gonna put this in the bottom of the floor, and these gonna fit in like this, so it's longer. As you can see the difference, this one is longer, higher than the old one. Alright guys, so we are in Waterbury, Connecticut here. So we took off the rail spindles here. We're just gonna put the bottom runner. We're not gonna put the spindle in the holes anymore in the floor. Just gonna put that bottom runner and then put the spindles on top of that. We have to raise this up. Might cut it here. It joins here. We're gonna open where it curves here to go on the bottom, and put one of the spindle posts here to hold it because it didn't have any here. And we also got to raise the bottom. This is how the area looks like. They recently did this deck and this staircase outside. It's a multi-family unit building, wood structure. This is Mary Street in Waterbury, Connecticut. So we have to take it off from that side. So we're gonna cut off the piece rug so we can put the bottom part of the rail, the runner. Alright, so the bottom rail is on, as you can see. Just using a small nailer gun to secure it. Alright, so we put back the top rail up to code. I think it's 40 inches, I'm not too sure. We was here, brought it up more, as you can see, and we leveled the top rail, added the spindle. Spindle is level. So now we're gonna start putting the spindle out, and then we got one spindle post to hold it, secure it. And I put something here also between here to make it sturdier. So I'm cutting the spindle to size. So we finished the top staircase spindle, the rails. Just have to cut the spindle a bit, and then we use the spacer that comes to fill in the groove. It comes with the bottom rail. We just cut them, measure, cut, put these in, nail them, and the top we're gonna fill. They didn't have the round spindle to fit back in the hole, so we're gonna fill these up. I might add something to secure it more, like this piece of wood in between, make it sturdier. Gotta put one more spindle in the side. Okay, so we're working on the first unit stairs. We took down the stairs already, but we might need different type of the posts and spindles. We took off the rail and the spindles here, but the top rail is longer, so we can't put the bottom rail the same length. It's not gonna match up, it's gonna look odd. So this is the old spindle. The old spindle post end was on the bottom here. And we did the doors. We put fire resistant doors all over here and the top. So we're doing the bottom stairs rail and the spindles. As you can see, we didn't use the regular spindle post spindle for the ends. It's too small. We bought some 4x4 and we're gonna nice it up. We put one on the top here also. We notch that post, and we fill it. We use the same rail. We just slide it in there, and we're just gonna nail it with a nail gun, the nailer. And we're gonna put a brace or something here. So this is the finished rails and the staircase. We put longer spindle. We painted it also, as you can see. This is how it looks like. It was like this before. put in a new post, put in the new rail, left hand side rail. This is the staircase to go down. Looks like this. Longer spindles. I think it's 36 inches. And I just finished painting the rails. This color was green before. So if you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.